Hello children, I hope you all fine. In this video session, we are going to learn 7th standard English poem The Computer Swallowed Grandma.
Hello children, today we are going to learn about a poem The Computer Swallowed Grandma. This children poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma, was written by an anonymous. Anonymous? It means the author's name is not known or made public. Let's read and enjoy this poem. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her and send her back to me. Let's read the stanza 1. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. Dear children, let's see the explanation. Once, when the poet was having online chat with her modern grandma living far away, the computer connection gets snapped suddenly and grandma disappears from the screen. This happens because grandma had pressed Control and Enter keys on the computer. That is why the poet personifies the computer and says the computer had swallowed the grandma. Here the word disappears means go out of sight or vanish. Next we'll read the second stanza. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Here, the word devoured means to eat something quickly. Squirm means to feel nervous about something. Virus, it's a code which copies itself and destroys the data in your computer. Worm means a small insect with a long soft body without a legs or bones. Let's see the explanation of stanza 2. So students, by mistake, when grandma pressed Control and Enter keys on the keyboard, her image was vanished from the computer screen. So now the computer swallowed grandma completely. And the disappearance of the grandma from the computer screen made the poet feel nervous. So, the poet thinks that the image of grandma on the screen must have been attacked by the computer virus or eaten by a worm in the computer. Next, we'll read the stanza 3. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Here, recycle means it is the container for waste that will be recycled. Let's see the explanation of stanza 3. So the poet searches her grandma in the computer's recycle bin, files and all the folders, and finally She used the internet also to find her grandma, but she could not find anything in the computer. Next, we'll read stanza 4. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Here, the word desperation means hopelessness. Jeeves means software engineer or mechanics. Refine means improved by small changes. Let's see the explanation of stanza 4. The poet worried deeply and she calls Jeeves. Jeeves means is a software engineer. So the poet calls Jeeves to get help to find her grandma. So the software engineer Jeeves searched her grandmother in the computer, but he gives the negative reply because he too could not find even a trace of online. Now we'll read the last stanza. So, if inside your inbox my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. In the end, the poet requests all the readers of his poem to send grandma by email by copy, scan and pasting her if they happen to find grandma in their inbox. Let's see rhyming words. What is rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words that have same ending sound. It is usually occur at the end of the line in a poem. Let's see the rhyming words of this poem. Let's see the rhyming words of first stanza. The computer swallowed grandma is honestly it's true. She pressed Ctrl and Enter and disappeared from view. Here the second line ends in the word true and the fourth line ends in the word view. True view, the words have same sound, so true view are the rhyming words in the first stanza. Let's see the rhyming words of second stanza. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Here, the second line ends in the word squirm and the fourth line ends in the word worm. Squirm, worm, the words have same sound, so the squirm, worm are the rhyming words in the second stanza. Let's see the rhyming words of stanza 3. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Here the second line ends in the word kind and the fourth line ends in the word find. The word kind, find have same sound, so kind, find are the rhyming words in the third stanza. Let's see the rhyming words of stanza 4. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Here, the second line ends in the word refine and the fourth line ends in the word online. Refine, online, the words have same sound, so the refine and online are the rhyming words in the stanza 4. Let's see the rhyming words of last stanza. So, if inside your inbox my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Here, the second line ends in the word see and the fourth line ends in the word me. The word see, me have same sound, so see, me are the rhyming words in the fifth stanza. Let's see the glossary. First word is devoured. Devoured means consumed. It means to eat something quickly. Second word is squirm. Squirm means turn or to feel nervous about something. Last word is desperation. Desperation means hopelessness. Dear children, I hope you all understand this poem. Once again, read this poem and enjoy.